Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Literally, how is your day and how is your week? So I've been actually looking for a solution to your problem, and you think you're older than your age. You're looking for something to take or something to rub, to just look at least younger, or to at least look your age or look younger than your age. You've come to the last bus stop, because I'm going to be showing you a wonderful African recipe ingredient that would actually help you to look younger than your age, literally. Now you have to be consistent when it comes to this, because they are all natural, and no preservations. So anytime you want to take it, you would have to make it, or I'm going to be telling you how you're going to be doing it. Okay, that's going to be easy for you in the video. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me take you right into the video. Okay guys, so I have a drink that would make you look young. That's if you're actually looking older than your age. If you've been complaining that you're looking older than your age and you don't know what to do, here I've come with a simple natural home remedy that would help you go back to your age or even younger than what you are right now. Okay, so here I have papaya. You're going to be using papaya. We call it pawpaw, but you know it as papaya, carica papaya. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to be cutting the papaya. Into two, and then I'm going to be removing the clipping. So now I would have to be cutting it this way. After cutting that, I'll have to be putting it into a blender. Alright guys, so here we go. Our papaya is properly blended, and I'm going to be turning it into this cup. So this is it. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to be keeping this aside while I prepare other ingredients. So the very next ingredient which we're going to be needing will be cucumber. Now cucumber is known to reduce ageness internally and externally. Okay, it helps for the skin externally, and it also helps for the skin internally. Alright, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be cutting just a little of this cucumber, but before we cut, we would have to wash it. And then we'll cut just a little. After that, then I'm going to be turning into the blender. And we're also going to be making use of carrot. Now carrot contains a beta carotene, and as such it helps so much in smoothing out your skin, and it also helps you look younger and look flawless. Okay, so I'm gonna be peeling just the egg parts, and I'm gonna be blending. I'm gonna be cutting it in preparation for blending. So now I have to turn it in here, and then put a little more water so the blending can be easy. Alright, so now I would have to bring it out, and this is it. I'll grab my cup, grab a strainer, and then I'll strain it out. Okay guys, so this is it. This is how it looks like, and the next thing we're going to be needing is orange. We're not going to be needing vitamin C to activate this drink, make you look younger. You're definitely going to be putting this into consideration. So after making it soft so I could remove the juice, I'm going to be squeezing the juice out into this. Now you can take as much orange as you want. I have just 2 oranges here. So I have sufficient orange juice, and now I'm going to be bringing in my papaya. I'm going to be turning in the watermelon, and then I'll turn in the orange juice, and let's stir everything up. Guys, if you're looking older than your age, drink this every freaking morning. If you see yourself to be looking older than your age, drink this every blessed morning, and you're going to be loving yourself. You're not only going to be loving yourself, you're going to be loving your skin. Your skin is going to begin to glow. It's going to begin to pop out. It's going to begin to be shiny. If you have a dull skin, goodbye to dull skin. with this drink. So try making this and put it in a jar, put it in your fridge, and drink it every day. Even if you're not a fan of papaya, when you blend it and mix it with other ones, it is gonna be super duper great. So go give this a try, and I'm sure it's gonna save your skin. It's gonna reverse your age, okay, every morning. So that's it. Drink that to look younger, drink that to look amazing, drink it to look beautiful, drink it to look really radiant, okay, literally. And it's gonna help you. You have to store it in your fridge, and then you take it, just make it and store it in a jar. You know, you take it every morning, and it's gonna be helpful for you. Yeah, so that's it. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.